Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I want to show you the basic settings for the mainsail and headsail on reaches. In position number 1, we're on a close reach, and we ease the main sheet until the boom lies about 1/4 of the way between the boat center line and the shrouds. Note in the illustration how the end of the boom now lies just over the edge of our boat. Before we fall off to a beam reach, you'll want to set the boom vang. Once we ease the mainsail boom out over the water, the main sheet will no longer have enough downward pull to control the leach of our mainsail. The boom vang will take over this task. Set the vang with moderate tension to control the leach and to keep the boom horizontal. Note in position number 2 how we've eased the main sheet until the mainsail boom now lies about 1/2 way between the boat center line and the shrouds. Match your headsail to this setting. When you fall off to a broad reach, keep the boom vang set with moderate tension as described before. Ease the boom out about 3/4 of the way between the boat center line and the shrouds. Match the headsail to this setting. On any type of reach, whether it be a close reach, beam reach, or broad reach, after you make these initial settings, go ahead and let both sails out until you just start to see the slightest bit of flutter along the luff. Trim each sail just enough to put the flutter to sleep. This will set your sails for maximum speed and performance. Use these easy sailing tips to help you trim your sails when reaching wherever in the world you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.